Hello everyone. In this lecture, I'm going to give an even more better idea of calculating angular momentum by taking this simple example. That is, in this situation, here there is a rod rotating about the y-axis. This I'm taking as x-axis, this I'm taking as y-axis. A rod of length L and mass m. Length of the rod I am taking it as L and mass I am considering is m, and it is rotating about the z-axis in this sense with angular velocity omega 1. To this rod, a disk of mass m and radius r, disk of mass m and radius r is attached. Okay, now this disk in turn is rotating about this rod. Assume that this is the center of the disk. About this rod, if you assume this as the axis, in this sense with angular velocity omega 2. Okay, so for this configuration, I wanted to calculate what is the angular momentum about the point O. Assume that this is the axis. To answer to this question, I am splitting this into two problems. One is calculating the angular momentum of this rod about O, and another one is calculating the angular momentum of this disk about O. So first thing I am calculating here is angular momentum L bar of rod. So to calculate the angular momentum of the rod, if you look at its center of mass, this is the location of center of mass. This axis O is not passing through the center of mass, because of which this body has both orbital angular momentum and spin angular momentum. As usual, spin is always with respect to center of mass only. Orbital angular momentum with respect to O. This is the total angular momentum of the rod about O. That is, so I am splitting into two steps. First, I am calculating spin angular momentum of the rod. L spin is equal to what I can write. Spin angular momentum is I center of mass into what is the angular velocity which it is rotating? Omega 1. It is pointed in j cap direction. So what is I center of mass? M L square divided by 12 into omega 1, which is pointing in j cap direction. Next point is calculating orbital. L orbit with respect to O is equal to what I can write here. With respect to O, I am calculating R center of mass cross M into B center of mass. So to calculate this, we need coordinates of center of mass of rod. So distance from here to here is how much? X coordinate. That is, its X coordinate is how much? L by 2. And distance from here to here, this is nothing but radius of the disk. So Y coordinate is R. So R center of mass, how much we got? L by 2 I cap plus R j cap. In a similar way, let us calculate what is the velocity of center of mass of rod due to its rotation about y-axis. Because rod is in a sense of rotating into the plane of the board. So because of which the velocity, tangential velocity of the center of mass of rod is into the plane of the board like this. So out from the plane of the board is z-axis, into the plane of the board is minus z-axis, because of which it is pointed in negative k cap direction, and its value is given by v is equal to r omega only. R is the distance from here to here. How much? L by 2 into omega, which is pointing in minus k cap direction. This is the velocity of center of mass. That only I am writing here. L by 2 into omega 1 this is, which is pointed in negative k cap direction. Okay, so clubbing this into this equation, what you will be getting? L bar orbit about O is equal to, what are you going to get here? R center of mass is how much? L by 2 I cap plus j r j cap cross m into velocity is how much? L by 2 into omega 1, which is pointed in k cap direction. Okay, so if you simplify this, we will be getting the value of L bar orbit about O is equal to how much you're going to get here? I cross k. K cross I is j. I cross k is minus j. Minus into minus plus. So m L square divided by 4 omega 1 into this is how much? Ik is minus j minus into minus plus j. Okay, next plus j cross k is I. As minus is there, it is minus I. So m r L by 2 omega 1 into this is in which direction? Jk is I. So minus I cap direction. This is the value of orbital angular momentum of the rod about O. Therefore, total angular momentum of the rod about O for rod is given by spin plus orbit. Spin is how much? M L square divided by 12 omega 1, which is along j cap direction. Okay, plus orbital is how much? M L square divided by 4 into omega 1, which is along j cap direction, plus m into r into L divided by 2 into omega 1, which is along minus I cap direction. Sometimes I am writing capital M, small m, it doesn't matter, all are same only. Okay, this is the orbital angular momentum of rod about O. Second step, what I am doing here is, the second step, I am calculating the angular momentum of disk. This is for disk. So for disk also, angular momentum is, the total angular momentum about O is spin plus orbit. Orbit about O. So first, I want to talk about the spin angular momentum. L bar spin. Be careful here, because this disk has angular velocity both about y-axis, about its center of mass. So how many spin angular momentums it will have? It will have 2 spin angular momentum. One is passing through the center of gravity and perpendicular to its plane, okay, due to omega 2, and another one is due to axis passing through its center of mass and existing in its plane, that is diametric axis. 2 spin angular momenta it will have. So therefore, total spin angular momentum of the disk is given by, one is due to this axis, that is how much? M r square divided by 2 into what is this? Omega 2, which is pointing. So when the disk is rotating in this sense, if you curl your fingers, thumb is pointing in negative x direction, because of which it is minus I cap, plus one is due to this omega 1, so about this axis. So diametric axis moment of inertia is m r square divided by 4 into omega 1, which is pointing in the direction of j cap. Okay, this is the total spin angular momentum of the disk, because the disk has angular momentum about y-axis and its center of mass axis. This is the spin angular. Next I am writing orbital angular, L bar orbit with respect to O is equal. Yes, how can we write it? R center of mass cross m into velocity of center of mass. So first let us find out coordinates of center of mass. R center of mass is equal. So distance from here to here is L, so x coordinate is L, and distance from here to here is R, so y coordinate is R. So R center of mass is how much? L I cap plus small r j cap. And velocity of center of mass, tangential velocity of center of mass, have a look at it. Why it has a tangential velocity? Because disk as a whole is rotating about the y-axis. So when it is rotating about the y-axis, its center of mass has a velocity into the plane of the board in this direction, and its value is, what is its value? V is equal to R omega. Distance from here to here is how much? L into omega is how much? Omega 1, which is pointing in which sense? Minus k cap direction. which is pointing in minus k cap direction. That only I am writing here. L into omega 1, which is pointing in negative k cap direction. Okay, so if we substitute these two into this expression, what are we going to get? So L bar about orbit about O is equal to what we're going to get? L I cap plus R j cap cross M into L omega 1 minus k cap. Okay, so that is equal to how much we're going to get? That is equal to, yes, L into L square M L square omega 1 I cross k. I k is k cross I is j, I cross k is minus j, minus into minus plus j. So this is along j cap direction plus MRL omega 1 into j cross k is I, already minus is there, because of which it is minus I. Okay, so clubbing this spin and orbital angular momentum, total angular momentum of disk about O is equal to spin component, how much we got? M R square divided by 2 into omega 2, which is pointed in minus I cap direction. Okay, plus M R square divided by 4 omega 1, which is pointed in j cap direction, plus what is this? ML square omega 1 M L square omega 1, which is pointed in j cap direction. Next, plus M R L omega 1, which is pointed in minus I cap direction. Okay, this is the total angular momentum of the disk about O. Is there anything to add? Yes, all j cap terms keep at one point. I will keep it at one point. I cap. If you take common, so what we will be getting? M R square by 2 omega 2 plus M R L. All these are pointing in minus I cap direction. Okay, plus all j cap components that we have, M R square divided by 4 omega 1 plus M L square omega 1. All these are pointing in j cap direction. So this is step number 1, first equation, and this is step number 2, second equation. So total angular momentum of the system, L bar of system means disk plus rod about O is equal to, we should add these two terms. So instead of writing here clumsily, I will add all j components, I components individually. So here this is the I component. Is there any I component? Yes, here there is one I component. So first I will write all I components at one point. That is M R square divided by 2 omega 2 plus M R L. Okay, next here I component is how much? This is minus, this is also minus, no problem. M R L divided by 2 plus M R L divided by 2 into, this is how much? Omega 1 into, sorry, here I forgot to write omega 1, no, MRL into omega 1. So this is also MRL into omega 1 plus MRL divided by 2 into omega 1. All this minus I is common. Okay, next j cap components. J, how many j's are there? 2 j's are there. Is there any possibility for adding? Yes, here I can add these two. 1 by 12 plus 1 by 4. Okay, 1 by 12 plus 1 by 4. How much we will be getting? 3 plus 1, 4. 4 divided by 12 means 1 by 3. Okay, so directly I am writing here plus 1 by 3 ml square omega 1 m l square omega 1. All these are pointing in j cap direction only. Is there any j term in this one? Yes, here there is one more j term. How much it is? Plus m r square omega 1 divided by 4 plus m l square omega 1 into Take care. Okay, that is equal to what are we going to get here? That is equal to, if I simplify this, is there any possibility for simplification? This is r square omega 1. Okay, this is I cap now. So mRL divided by 2. Where is this? This is mr square by 2 omega 2 mRL RL. I forgot to write L here. mRL omega 1 plus this is mr square divided by 2 omega 1. So is there any possibility for taking common any term? This is RL, this is RL omega 1, this is RL omega. So yeah, we can add them. So that is equal to what I can write? M r square divided by 2 into omega 2 plus this is the MRL omega 1. This is also MRL divided by 2 omega 1. 1 plus 1 by 2 is 3 by 2. 3 by 2 MRL omega 1, which is pointing in negative I direction, plus about J M L square omega 1 M L square omega 1 1 by 3 plus 1, how much? 3 plus 1, 4 by 3. So 4 by 3 M L square omega 1 plus all these are J terms only. Okay, plus MR square plus MR square divided by 4 omega 1. All these are along J direction. So this is the expression for angular momentum of the system about. Okay, so be careful here. The actual problem is very simple, taking the spin and taking the orbit and adding them. Here there are number of terms are there, because of which while adding the things are getting jumbled, but altogether we came to a conclusion. This is how you should solve when there are more number of bodies and more number of rotations.